Power, performance, capability, and capacity allow you to take this on and off-road as you take on new adventures. Take a look at this certified pre-owned 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited Sahara 4xe in black clear coat. With automatic headlamps, front fog lamps, 20-inch aluminum wheels, LED tail lamps, tow package, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, 30,000 miles on the odometer, 8.4-inch touchscreen, navigation, rear backup camera, dual zone temperature control, command track part-time four-wheel drive system, rear 60/40 folding seats, 2.0-liter turbocharged four-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details, visit us at MarinoCJD.com. Stock number D6663.
All Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles pass a stringent inspection process, guaranteeing that only the finest vehicles get certified. Ask your dealer about available lifetime warranty upgrades. Chrysler Group certified pre-owned vehicles, the smart choice, factory backed to go the distance. Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.